Hello friends, this is tutorial number 6 in this Java design patterns course. In this tutorial we will talk about abstract creator, and let's create quickly one package 06. I am following the numbers. And now let's create one class. The name of the class will be car, and it will be abstract class. And this class will have one void function, abstract void, and it will be create. Now let's create subclasses. We need to create some cars. We need a class. The name of the class will be BMW, and it will extend a car. We will implement function, and we need to write something. We will write, for example, we can write BMW create function. It will just print this text. And let's create two more cars. I will close this. New class. The name of the class will be Audi. It will also extend car. We will implement a function create, and we will print Audi create function. And let's create Toyota. Of course, you can create another car if you want. I will create Toyota. We will also extend a car, and we will implement a function, and inside the function we will print Toyota create function. That should be fine. I will close it, and I can also close this car. We have one abstract class with 3 subclasses. Now we need to create abstract creator class. Let's create a new class, and the name of the class will be abstract car factory. We should use this class to create our cars. It will be abstract, and we need to have some function. We need a protected abstract car. This function will return a car, and the name of the function will be, it will create a car, it will be create function. We already have create, and this we will, the name will be create function, or we can use create car function, it doesn't matter. And it will be protected. And we also need to have a get function. We will not need a set, we will just define get function, and it will be abstract car get car, and that should be fine. Now we need to create subclasses. each of these cars, Audi, BMW and Toyota, will have own factory that will extend this abstract car factory that we have created already. I will close it. Now I will create a class. The name of the class will be BMW Factory. And it will extend abstract car factory. And let's implement the functions. Just a second. Okay, we have create a function, and it will return. This is protected car create function. It will return. This is a BMW factory class. It will return new BMW. Pretty much simple. And this get car function, it also needs to return car, and we will return create function. And we will do the same for another two cars. Now let's create a new class. It will be Audi factory. It will extend also abstract car factory. Let's implement functions. Create function will return new Audi object, and this get car will return this protected create function. Okay, I can close it now, and I also need to create a Toyota factory. Also will extend abstract car factory. We need to implement all unimplemented functions. Create function, of course, will return new Toyota. And get car will return create function. And that should be fine. Now we need a class with main function. Let's create one. The name of the class will be application with main function. And now we need to create abstract car factory. Abstract car factory, let me give some space. We will call it temp1. This is just for example. You can call it ACF or car factory, whatever name you want. I give it a name temp1, and it will be, we will use polymorphism here. We will use BMW factory. BMW factory, and it will be new BMW factory. It is derived class of the abstract car factory. And now we need to create a car. We will call it car1. And how we will define a car? We will call a function from temp1. We will call get car function, and we have defined a car1, And now we can just call create this void create function from the car object. We'll just call the car1 create. We are using BMW factory, and it should create a BMW object, but we will see what will run. We should have in output BMW create function. We will see if it's run properly. It works like a charm, perfectly. Now we will test another two factories, but I will not type. I will just use copy and paste. I will test Audi now. Abstract car factory. The name will be temp number 2, and it will be new Audi factory. Audi. Car variable will be car2, will be equals to temp2.getCar, and we will call create function from car number 2, and we will see if it will work properly. Audi works perfectly fine. Now let's test Toyota. Abstract car factory will be temp number 3, will be new Toyota factory. Car will be number 3. We will call get car from temp3 object, and let's call create function from car number 3. Now in the output we should have Toyota create function, and it works like a charm. We have successfully implemented the abstract creator. I really hope that you understand it, and I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. You will have a link in the description, and see you in the next tutorial.